सर ऐसे मुझे मत डराओ। चलो रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू हो गई है, शुरू करते हैं लेसन।
Lesson is already over.
हाँ मतलब आपको आज जो रिवीजन करवाना तो वो रिवीजन शुरू करो ना सर।
But I want only that one student to read, and that is Almas. Almas, will you read? If you read Almas, then we'll take one lecture like this. Will you read Almas?
सर बाद में फ्री लेक्चर दोगे?
When?
कोई भी तो रीड करूँ।
Okay, but the thing is that I understand, but the recording will be done during that lecture also. Even if we play any sort of game or something, recording is compulsory to be done. So that way you are asking for free lecture. Because
ओके सर।
okay, so please read.
तो सब रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो पा रही होगी ना तब फिर लेक्चर दे देना सर। कभी कभी होता है
Okay.
ना, एरर्स आते हैं ना
Yes,
इसलिए।
when
सर फ्यूज काट देना।
okay, this all ideas that you are giving me are being recorded. Okay, so I am not saying that I am in support of this idea. I cannot agree at once, but it might be possible. Sometimes don't have electricity, so at that time we'll see. Okay, means I assure you at that time we can. Yes, Almas, please read. And others have to be attentive. I will ask the questions as we read from the text.
Read this excerpt from the famous book Toto-chan, the Little Girl at the Window, written by Tetsuko Kuroyanagi. It was about an unusual school that appears almost out of a fairy tale. Such a school really existed in Japan during the Second World War when the horrors of the war were just being unfolded. The school finally burned down. This expert is a recollection of the author's first day in the wonderful school.
So,
When she
sorry to interrupt. The word I have underlined to correct you, that is excerpt. That is a small portion from the big chapter. You take a small portion from the big book. You take one or two chapters. So, expert and excerpt are two different things. Continue.
When she saw the gate of the new school, Toto-chan stopped. The gate of the school she used to go to had fine concrete pillars with the name of the school in large characters, but the gate of this new school simply consisted of two rather short posts still that, that still had twigs of leaves on them. This gate's growing, said Toto-chan. It will probably go on growing till it's taller than the telephone poles. The two great posts were clearly trees with roots. When she got closer, she had to put her head to one side to read the name of the school because the wind had blown the sign askew. Tomo Igetun and Toto-chan was about to ask mother that Tomoe meant what she caught a glimpse of something that made her think she must be dreaming. She squatted down and peered through a shrubbery to get a better look, and she couldn't believe her eyes. Mother, it is really a train. Where is the school ground? For its classrooms, the school had made use of 6 abandoned railroad cars To Toto Chan, it seemed something you might dream about. A school is a train. The windows of the railroad cars sparkled in the morning sunlight, but the ugly cheeked little girl gazing at the shrubbery sparkled even more. Toto Chan let out joy and started running towards the train school, calling out to mother over her shoulder, "Come on." Hurry, let's get on this train. Standing still. Startled, mother began to.
Wait. Train that is standing still. Okay. So wait, answer the questions that I ask. What kind of gate did the new school have? What kind of gate did the new school have? She just read. So those who were attentive, they will be able to give the answers. What was the gate made up of? The two gate posts were clearly trees with roots. Then, what surprised Toto Chan as soon as she entered the new school? Which thing surprised her as soon as she entered the new school?
There was a train.
Yes.
There were abundant railroad cars as classes.
Hmm. She wasn't ready to believe her eyes. A train in the school grounds. So the school had made use of how many abandoned railroad cars?
6.
What is the meaning of abandoned?
Line.
What? Abandoned. What is the meaning? You know that six abandoned railroad cars were used. But what is the meaning? I told you, and you forgot.
Which is not used, which is not in
Yes.
use.
Rejected, not in use, empty. My voice is reaching late because I can hear the audio. I can hear my voice from the other phone, so it might be network problem. It is clear, but it is reaching a few seconds later. What kind of cheeks did the girl have?
She
Rosie.
had rosy cheeked.
Okay. the story that we are reading, the new school, was is the story during of what time? When did this school exist?
Second World War.
During the time of Second World War.
Yes,
At the time
and
of World War.
yes. What is the name of the book from which the lesson is taken?
The name of the book is The Little Girl at the Window.
Hmm. Koto-chan, the little girl at the window. That whole name. That is the book. The author we already know. Tetsuko Kuroyanagi is the author. So who will read now?
Sir, can I?
Sorry, who asked? Fatima? Who wanted to read?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Startled, Mother begins to run after her. Mother had been on a basketball team once, so she was faster than Toto-chan and caught hold of her dress just as she reached a door. You can't go in yet, said Mother, holding her back. The cars are classrooms and you haven't even been accepted here yet. If you really want to get on this train, you will have to be nice and polite to the headmaster. We are going to call on him now, and if all goes well, you will be able to go to the school. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. If all goes well, then only I will be able to go to school, right? The way you asked me, do you understand? If I'm not mistaken, she asked me, right?
No, sir, I don't ask you. It was just a line of reading.
Okay. I thought you asked me that way. Do you understand? So I was thinking. Continue. Why did you stop? It was just sense of fun.
Toto-chan was awfully disappointed not to get on the train right away. But she decided she had a better do as mother told her. All right, she said, and then added, I like this school a lot. Mother felt like telling her it wasn't a matter of whether she liked the school but of whether the headmaster liked her. But she just let go of Toto-chan's dress, took hold of her hand, and started walking towards the headmaster office. All the railroad's cars were quiet for the first class of the day had begun. Instead of wall, the not very spacious school grounds were surrounded by trees, and there was flower beds full of red and yellow flowers. The headmaster's office wasn't in a railroad car, but was on the right hand side of one story building that stood At the top of semicircular flight of about 7 stone steps opposite the gate.
Okay. Why did mother run after Toto Chan? Why? So easy question it is. What are you thinking about? Why did mother run after Toto Chan?
Because Toto Chen was going to ask the headmaster of the school that whether is the headmaster or the station master.
Yeah, but that is. But I think that will come later. That is there, but it is in the later part of the lesson. Don't you think so? As of now, what we read, she had to run because Toto Chan started running.
So Toto Chen was going into the train.
Yes. She just said, "Come on, hurry, let's go, let's get on the train." So, mother thought that she would get on the train without even getting a ticket, and they would have to pay the fine. What is the meaning of call on? We are going to call on him now. What is the meaning of call on?
To visit.
Okay. Can you make a sentence with call on? You know it is a phrasal verb. Verb plus preposition. Call on, bring it on, switch off, switch on, go on, go ahead. All these are phrasal verbs. Remember or not? Seventh standard. Speak up. That is also a phrasal verb. Means speak louder. Can you make a sentence with call on?
Sir, can I?
Yes.
I want call on the zoo.
I think the sentence formation. Can you tell me again what did you say?
I want call on the zoo.
Okay, I want to call on to the zoo. Anyone else? Why was Toto Chan disappointed?
Toto Chen was disappointed not to get on the train.
Okay, she was disappointed as she was stopped by a mother and she wanted to get on the train, right? Next, according to the mother, how would Toto Chan get admission in the new school? How would she get admission in the new school?
According to the mother, it was not a matter of whether she Toto Chan liked the school, but of whether the headmaster liked her.
Yes. Where was the headmaster's office?
Headmaster office was on the right hand side of one story building that stood up at the top of a semicircular flight of about 7 stone steps opposite to the gate.
Okay. Why were the railroad cars quiet?
The railroad cars were quiet as the first classes of the day had begun.
Had began or begun.
Begun, begun.
Gun. Gun.
Yes, sir.
Begun.
GUN gun.
HO. Head office. Headmaster's office. Which color flowers were there in the school grounds? The flower beds.
There were flower beds full of red and yellow flowers.
Okay. Do you remember or is the textbook open?
Textbook, yes, sir.
Good. I really heartily appreciate you.
सर लेकिन
No
सुबह
problem.
सुबह में टेक्स्ट बुक खोलना वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात है
Yeah,
वो भी जब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो.
that is also a big achievement, I must say. How many of you have the textbook open? Except for Sarah. Others don't have it open.
फिर अगर दूसरे से टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन होती तो मैं के लिए आंसर थोड़ी दे रही होती.
Right. But no, others also gave the answer, but now they are quiet because the second lecture of the day has begun. Let me ask them. Just for 2 minutes, Sarah, let them give the answer. Let me check how many are attentive.
ओके सर.
Who is the author of the story? Other than Sarah, I want answers from anyone who can give the answer. Who is the author of the story? Misbah. Owen Fatima. Trawadi Fatima. Who is the author of the story? A simple question I asked. Tetsuko Kurayanagi. I already told you the questions can be asked from anywhere. Then what will you do in MCQs? One more question.
तो सभी के
What were
बाद
the
एक
school?
लेफ्ट हो गए थे. तीन चार लोग
Yes.
तो लेफ्ट भी हो गए थे.
What were the school gate posts made of?
Trees.
Just that one word answer will you give? Or full sentence? Full sentence. The two gate posts were clearly trees with roots. Like that, you can give the answer in full sentence. Where were the classes held? Where were the classes held? These people are just feeling lazy, nothing else, because I'm sure this answer everyone knows, right? It's just the matter of feeling lazy. The classes were held in the abandoned railroad cars. Next, who will read now?
Sir, can I?
Yes, Sarah.
Toto Chen let go of her mother's hand and raised up the steps, then turned around abruptly, almost causing Mother to run into her. What's the matter? Mother asked, fearing Toto Chen might have changed her mind about the school. Standing above her on the step, Toto Chen whispered to Mother in all seriousness, the man we are going to see must be a station master. Mother had plenty of patience as well as a great sense of fun. She put her face close to Toto Chen and whispered, why? Toto Chen whispered back, you said he was the headmaster, but if he owns all the trains, he must be a station master. Mother had to admit it was unusual for a school to make use of old railroad cars, but there was no time to explain. She simply said, why don't you ask him yourself? And anyway, what about daddy? He plays the violin and owns several violins. But that doesn't make a house a violin shop, does it? No, it doesn't. Toto-chan agreed, catching hold of her mother's hand.
Okay.
सर हो गया रीड आगे करूँ
No, as I said, my voice is reaching late, so you might not have heard when I said okay.
ओके
Let me ask two or three questions, and let me see how many are able to give the answers. And I'm sure I'm asking
मैं
that
दूँ
easy
आंसर या
questions.
ना दूँ
Yes, first let me see for a minute if they are giving the answers. I would be happy if others also give it. What kind of man was the headmaster according to Toto Chan? What did Toto Chan think about the headmaster of the school?
Master.
Sorry, what answer did you give?
A station master.
Okay, so the answer is right, but as I said, if you give the answer in full sentence, that would be good.
According to Toto Chan, headmaster was looking like a station master.
Okay, means is it about his appearance or just because there were the railroad cars in the school ground? So, just because there were railroad cars in the school grounds, Toto Chan thought this man might be a station master. And you just said according to Toto Chan, right? That is how you started your answer. So that was correct. According to Toto Chan, according to him, according to her. But what about yourself? मैं ये सोचता हूँ. So how will I say that? According to me, right? According to me, this is right, this is wrong. We speak like this or not?
Yes.